How to speed up or fast forward a video on CapCut. So first of all, launch CapCut, then click on the new project or imported video onto the timeline. Then click on the video clip you want to speed up, highlight it in the timeline. Once you click on the video, like when the clip is selected, you can see the menu section or toolbar at the bottom has been changed. There, simply click on the speed option available. Tap on the normal option available there. Now there, use the slider to increase the speed 2x, 4x, or even faster for fast forward. You can simply choose any according to your preferences, then hit play to preview the speed up clip. Then, when you are happy with it, you can click on the export at the top right to save the final video. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.